This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Chelsea Pena. Discover this beautifully updated 4-bedroom, 3-bath home nestled on the peaceful dining area Vinci Drive in Sorrento East. Featuring a spacious split floor plan, this home boasts a generous living/dining area, a cozy family room with a charming stone fireplace, and a private in-law suite. Plus, it's available turnkey furnished for your convenience. The well-appointed kitchen overlooks a stunning paver lanai and an 8-foot deep pool, creating the perfect space for outdoor relaxation. Recent upgrades include new appliances, fresh paint, upgraded bathrooms, and plush new carpeting throughout. Hurricane impact windows and garage doors provide added security and peace of mind. Step outside to your private oasis, complete with refreshed landscaping, a screened lanai, and a fully fenced backyard, ideal for pets or entertaining. The flexible layout includes a separate suite with its own entrance and full bath, making it perfect for guests or extended family. Located just 6 minutes from NOKOMIS Beach, 8 minutes from downtown Venice, and only 2 minutes from shops and restaurants, this home offers the perfect balance of tranquility and convenience. Plus, enjoy easy access to outdoor adventures at Oscar Shearer State Park and the Legacy Trail. With no required HOA is optional with up to $12 a month and no required flood insurance. This home is truly a rare find in one of the Gulf Coast's most desirable areas. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details.